I am always really surprised how often buyers put in applications with things that they know are not true. I'm not talking about major fraud where they're frauding up big income documents or ownership fraud. I'm talking about little things that they don't think are going to come up or cause a problem, and they come up and cause a problem. Hi, this is Recharging with Champions, and I'm your host, Charlotte Harrill, and boy, have I seen these things. Every month, every week, we have situations to where the buyer has put in an application and either they weren't super honest or they didn't think they needed to be clear when filling out the application. Everything from employment history, bonus information, how much they make, thinking they can put in the very most that they normally make, not the average, or even something like, I have an IRS tax debt that I haven't paid. There's this little check box that they have to fill that tells about the tax debt. And if they say, no, I don't have any IRS tax debt, we won't find that out till way down the line, and it will have to be addressed. Child support or monthly payments that don't show up on credit and they don't disclose in the application. Sometimes it's an oversight, but sometimes they think, oh, I don't have to tell them about that. Here's the reality. Make sure your buyers know. We will find out. And if you tell us lenders on the front end, the likelihood that we'll have a solution and a path is so much greater than if we find it out in the 9th hour. And here we are scrambling, thinking we're getting ready for a closing in a week or two, and then we find out the buyer wasn't truthful on their application, and now we're digging in and getting some information that conflicts with what we have on paper. This is really important that your buyers understand that honesty in the loan application process, all the way through to closing, is important because your lender, we're watching. We see credit pulls. We see income changes. We see things on your bank statement, and we're looking for monthly payments that you might have to have. So make sure you're just honest on the front end. That way we get you into a price range that does work for your debt ratio. That way we get you into a home that you can close on and not lose earnest money. This is a big deal, and we want to make sure our buyers are set up right the first time. By the way, I have a script for this. Go grab the script. It's nice and pleasant and funny, and you can use it to make sure that the buyers that you have in the future are being honest with your lender and therefore causing you so much less strife. And me, of course. Check it out, www.rechargingwithchampions.com. Use code word LEGACY during the beta time. It will be completely free for anybody that signs up forever. So use code word LEGACY if you're watching this during the beta rollout of Recharging with Champions. See all the cool tools, and we'll see you tomorrow.